Mastering modal verbs for permission. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on how they're used to express permission. These verbs can often cause confusion due to their nuances and multiple uses. Our main goal today is to clear up common mistakes and help you choose the appropriate modal verb depending on your situation. First things first, let's refresh our understanding of modal verbs for permission. These are can, could, and may. Can is used for general permissions. Could is a more polite form to ask for permission. May is a formal and very polite way to ask for or give permission. It's important to remember these distinctions, as they'll guide your choices in conversation. One common mistake with these modal verbs involves using them interchangeably, which can lead to misunderstanding or, in certain cases, inappropriate levels of formality. For example, saying, "Can I leave early?" at a formal meeting might seem too casual. Instead, a more suitable option would be, "May I leave early?" Moreover, may and could are often mixed up when it comes to giving permission. May is more formal and is rarely used in everyday conversation, while could is seen as more polite but less formal. Now, let's look at some examples to further clarify these points. If you're asking your friend if you can borrow their bike, you might say, "Can I borrow your bike?" It's a casual situation, so a casual modal verb is appropriate. If you're asking your professor if you could leave the lecture early, you might ask, "Could I leave the lecture early, please?" Here, a more polite form is suitable due to the nature of the relationship. If you're at a formal dinner and you want to be excused, you would ask, "May I be excused?" In formal situations, may is your go-to verb. Choosing the right modal verb boils down to understanding the context and the level of formality required. Assess the situation and choose between can, could, and may accordingly. If in doubt, leaning towards more politeness is generally a safe bet. That's a wrap on modal verbs for permission. With practice, you'll be able to navigate the subtleties of these verbs with ease and avoid the common pitfalls. Remember, it's all about matching the level of formality to the situation. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of modal verbs in no time. Until next time, happy learning!